Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. For today's set, I will be doing a easy, simple fall nail design. It's like a part 2 to my previous design. So I'm just going to get right into today's video, and my nails, as you can see, have already been prepped, filed, and this is my polygel that I did from the with dual forms. If you want to see how I did this, you can check out my previous video that I did on my right hand side. So now I'm doing my non-dominant hand, guys, so be patient and don't laugh at the way I hold my brush. But right now I'm just beginning off with some base coat. I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds and then use all the colors that I did for my right hand. So I am going in with my Madam Glam gold gel paint, my Nail Reserve white attic, the Rosalind orange, the Nail Reserve Sunfall, the Nail Reserve dark and classy, also gel bottle ink chocolate, and Mocha, and also the Nail Reserve in black. The Rosalind in black. And so now I'm going to put all the colors on my palette, so it's just much easier for me to make this design. So like I said, this is a super easy fall design. And what I'm going to do is basically take my daughter tool and make some dots with these colors. So I'm going to take the gold and place it in the middle by the cuticle area, and then take the next color, which is white, and place it next or on the left hand side of the gold, and then continue to do the same thing with the rest of the colors. So I'm going to take the rest of the colors, put it on the left side of the next color, and outline the nail, if you know what I mean. So as you see here, I'm just placing the dots along the side of the nail on the left hand side, and I'm going to continue to do that just for the rest of the nails. And now once I'm placing all the dots, I'm going to take my liner brush and basically connect all the dots together in one swoop, if that makes sense. If you can see what I'm doing here, just to get that like cool look design. So did you see how that was? That was like so simple, so easy, and look how cute this design looks so far, right? Something simple, something different. I've done this before, but only one time before, and I wanted to try it again. So I was like, oh, look how cute this is, right? Look at that. So that's on the left-hand side, and it's really easy. So now I did it on the right-hand side. So now I'm placing the gold right near the end of the other design, and I'm just going to do the exact same thing that I did before. Place all the dots in the same order, and as you can see, I'm placing the colors in the same order as my right hand to match the design on my right hand, basically. So that's why I'm placing or using the same colors and placing them in the same order. So yeah, like I said, I'm just basically doing the exact same thing that I did before on the right side of the nail now. And like I said, I am using my non-dominant hand, guys. So I know I look kind of crazy right now with the brush, trying to blend all of them together. But yeah, so I take the brush and I just curve it around each dot and connect all the dots to get that same design as I just did before. Now make sure that you are wiping your brush wiping your brush off each nail before you do it. I did that with the dotter tool. When you're making your dots, you got to wipe it off before you use go to the next color. So as you can see here, I'm wiping it off before I go to the next nail. So once I'm done with this simple, easy, cute design, I am now going to go in with my Nail Reserve top coat and top coat all the nails for 60 seconds and then come back with the final look. Now here is the final look, guys. Look how gorgeous. I think these are like so different, cute, simple, easy fall design. I love it. Like I said, it's very different and simple and easy. So all the great factors that you can do, at home. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. If you like it, if you hate it, if you think that it's something that you would wear or not wear, just let me know in the comments. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.